Hi guys, Hounds Armory here, and today I just want to do a little announcements video for the beginning of 2021. I want to start off by saying thank you, to my audience, to everyone who has subscribed, left a like, and especially those who have had conversations with me in the comments. You all have made being a YouTube content creator so much fun over the past 8 months, to the point where this whole thing has gone from, oh, just a little side project to keep me busy when I have nothing to do this summer, to something I look forward to every time I make a video. That being said, I have 2 announcements for you guys that I hope you will get excited about. The first one is I'm releasing a merch store. I am wearing what is dubbed the team shirt for me. These will be only available for myself to order, as they're the shirts I want to wear at FoamCon and events and things. And that's simply because the base price is rather pricey, but the rest of the things on the store are completely open to you guys. I've got tank tops, t-shirts, hoodies, socks, a face mask, something else goofy. Most of it features the Howling Anti-Glass logo. That is my logo. And will all be available there. All the proceeds from the merch will go directly back into the store through buying blasters and STLs and kits. It's a review for you guys, to funding builds for the channel, funding infrastructure for the channel. All of it will come back to content for you guys. And the second announcement is I'm launching a Patreon. Again, all the proceeds from Patreon are going to go directly back into this channel. The Patreon is going to have 3 tiers. The first tier is a $1 tier, just for those of you who want to support, though they will gain access to Patreon-only chat boards and surveys for Mostly what I'm planning on doing is asking you guys which videos you want to see next. Whether it's asking you which homemade blasters you want me to review next, which blasters you want me to review next, or just me saying, hey, I've got X, Y, and Z projects I need to do videos on. What do you want to see next? The next tier will be a $5 tier, which will have the same benefits as the first dollar tier, but they will also gain access to live streams. This is because I'm hoping to do some more integration projects moving forward, and I would love to do those via live streams. So look out for those if you join the Patreon. They will eventually get on a schedule. I just haven't figured that schedule out yet. When it is, I'll make a little update thing and put it down in the description. The last tier on the Patreon is going to be a $10 tier, which will give you access to all the previous benefits plus my STL files of things I design. Not everything there is going to be Nerf related. I'm working on some cosplay stuff that'll probably be located there as well, but a good bit of it will of course be Nerfy goodness. So those are the announcements I have. The only other one being, I plan to continue doing this, and I want to continue doing this for you guys. So please, if you want me to stick around, go hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment. You know the deal for YouTube, and I'll see you all next time.